I'd like to welcome Dr. Ben Lawrence. He is the pretty new director of the Cecil B. Day School of Hospitality right here at Georgia State University. Welcome, Dr. Ben.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
So I'm excited because I've been wanting to get you on the show. So really like to talk a little bit about your position at Georgia State, and then we'll roll it into you being here with the Chef Symposium.
Awesome. Well, I've taken over the School of Hospitality Directorship in June of this year. And so we're working on our strategic plan. We're really working to grow enrollment, both at the undergrad and the master's level. I came to Atlanta 8 years ago. I was a professor at Cornell. And I came because we had someone that gave money for an endowed professorship in franchising. So my expertise is franchising, and Atlanta is the capital of franchising. So
Yeah.
I came here as a professor, and now we're working on building the school and working on the 50 years of reputation we have to expand enrollment, both in undergrad and grad.
Yeah, you have a top program, is I think the first one in the state of Georgia.
Yes, first one in the state of Georgia. We've been around a little over 50 years. And, we're located right downtown.
Yeah.
So we're walking distance to Mercedes-Benz Stadium, to the Georgia World Congress Center. Really a great ecosystem for students interested in hospitality in many different areas. And so if you're interested in being an entrepreneur, interested in being a franchisee, interested in working events or venues or restaurants and hotels, we're in Atlanta. We're a capital in the U.S. of innovation and hospitality. We have FIFA coming, so
Yep.
lots of opportunity for students looking at many different areas of interest.
And I know you have a new master's certificate. Do you want to talk about that?
Sure. So we have a master's certificate. It's 4 classes, once a week. Students, in addition to the classwork, includes a trip to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So
It's worth it just that.
Yeah, so it's a spring break trip to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We go to the tallest building in the world, the fastest roller coaster in the world, SeaWorld. We go to Ferrari World. We see all the amazing hospitality venues in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and the students come back, just their minds are just filled with the opportunities that they could do. So if you're interested in going back and getting your MBA, this is a really good way to start.
Yeah.
Take your 4 classes and then build on that to get a degree. Very flexible. It can be done online or in person. So
Okay.
you have the opportunity to do that. Great faculty, really interesting curriculum. Look us up.
So if they're interested in that, how do they find you?
They can just Google Cecil B. Day School of Hospitality or Day School of Hospitality,
There you go.
or Ben Lawrence, and they can find all the information on our website.
So, Ben, let's talk about today. So we're here at the Chef's Conference, first one of its kind. So tell us, what are you here for, and what do you kind of think is going to happen? Get out of this, I guess.
So we're here to connect with high school students, to show them kind of and help them understand the breadth of hospitality. So if they're interested in culinary, maybe they're interested in owning their own business. And so we're in the Robinson College of Business, this School of Hospitality. And so we're really a business program focused on hospitality. And so just letting students know the opportunities that we have. We have lots of scholarships. We obviously are there to support our students. We're a fairly small school in the Robinson College of Business. And so students sometimes are worried about coming downtown, but we're a very small school in a very large university, and so we're there to help them. Sorry.
Well, and this event is perfect because we're trying to get the juniors and seniors able to go get employment, but then perfect, as you said, they can go on to 2-year degrees or 4-year degrees in the greatest industry in the world, being tourism and hospitality. So you being here, we really appreciate, and we want to get them exposed to all of this, and we want this event to get bigger and bigger every year.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we have the perimeter colleges as well, so students can go start at perimeter for 2 years and then transfer into the Robinson College of Business. Students that maybe don't want to travel downtown. We also have an online BBA program where basically the students can do all their coursework online after going to perimeter. So there's lots of different options for students to get into a career that has a really steep upward trajectory for students.
Yeah.
Right? So you can start, maybe you're starting in operations, but there's lots of different pathways for you to take. I mean, Atlanta is the capital of franchising, and we have some of the largest brands here in Atlanta. Inspire, Go-To Foods, Chick-fil-A. And so there's lots of opportunity for students that are interested in the culinary world to branch out to working for very large corporations, global companies.
So, do you have any type of education programs for? You mentioned entrepreneurs, so tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure. So I have a joint appointment with the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Institute, and the reason why I have the joint appointment is to talk about careers in hospitality and in entrepreneurship. So building your own business, becoming a franchisee. We have a lot of guest speakers come to campus, talk a little bit about their entrepreneurial journey. There are many entrepreneurs in this space. Owning their own event management company, owning their restaurant. Maybe they're interested in eventually owning a hotel. So there are many different pathways, and because Atlanta is the capital of franchising, we offer that opportunity for our students. And so we have a large entrepreneurship population of students that study entrepreneurship at Georgia State, relatively new major, and pairing that with hospitality is a really good thing to do.
Yeah.
Because they can think about, they maybe enjoy the culinary component of their job, but maybe they're interested in building their own business, and so we have that to offer as well.
It's always interesting how many students are interested in the event management world and starting their own business or working in weddings or working in meeting planning. So good opportunity to work with them with that.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of students interested in that space, and we also, obviously have some major venues downtown.
Oh, yeah.
That they can utilize for that, and so venue management, event management, those are both two really important classes that students take in places outside of hospitality too. So we have obviously a sports administration degree at GSU. So some students interested in sports administration might be interested in event management if they're interested in working somewhere like Mercedes-Benz Stadium or State Farm Arena.
Well, in sports today, in the United States, but here in Atlanta with FIFA next year, is the gold mine right now.
Yeah, it's an amazing opportunity. A lot of opportunities to do events surrounding FIFA, not just going to the game.
Right.
So I think it's going to be really interesting how that plays out and how we can be involved in that process.
Well, Dr. Ben, I appreciate you being on.
It's been awesome. Really enjoyed it. Thanks so much.
Thank you.